Welcome to Futura Mining, a simpler way to access real Bitcoin mining power, without complexity, without hardware, and without hassle.
In this video, we'll guide you through how to access and activate your Futura Mining account from your United One back office. Once you log in, this is your home screen. Right away, you'll notice the Futura Mining banner available here. The fastest way to get started is to click on Access Futura Mining and then select Activate. You can also access it another way. Open the menu in the top left corner and tap My Products. This will take you to your packages. Scroll down until you find Futura Mining and select it. You'll be brought to the same activation screen. Now, click Activate. This will begin the connection with your back office. Once the connection is established, you'll receive an email to verify your account and continue the setup. Give it a moment to complete. And now you can see your back office account is successfully connected.
Futura Mining, real mining power made simple. Start mining, start earning.